All right, I'm looking for the sweet taste of victory tonight. Do you all see that in my future? Here to try to get in my head tonight, from the kitchen, Sonny Anderson and Katie Lee.
Going down, Bobby. Going down. Redemption. All right, here's the deal. We love you.
We do.
We just don't really like you tonight.
The last time we were here, we lost.
Let's not forget that part.
We get it, but we know what you're not good at.
He has no idea what's in store for him tonight.
Yeah. Bobby, our first contender, joins us from the Windy City. Here's executive pastry chef, Kim DeLost. Yes, that was so hardcore.
Our next contender, also from Chicago, executive pastry chef, Chris Teixeira.
Kim, Chris, welcome. Only one of you can get to me. First, you must go through each other. I'm gonna give you one ingredient. You'll have 20 minutes to make it the star of your dish. I think you'll know this ingredient. White chocolate.
I am definitely glad that it's not something like scallop or steak, but I don't know what am I gonna do in 20 minutes.
I don't often use it because it is so sweet. It's a strong flavor.
So as you know, it's these ladies behind me that you need to impress. They may look nice, but they're tough. 20 minutes on the clock, make it shine.
Here's my problem with white chocolate. It ain't chocolate.
No, it's not chocolate, technically. White chocolate is actually cocoa butter, milk, and sugar. But, you know, you can treat it like chocolate. You can melt it, you can shave it.
So I'm making white chocolate crème with blackberries, Marcona almonds, and basil.
White chocolate crema is basically mousse.
5 minutes left on the clock.
All right, Chris. What's going on over here?
Blackberry with sugar. I'm gonna add a little lemon. I want the brightness of it.
Very smart. All right, talk to me about your Marcona almonds.
So we're gonna grate some on top.
Okay.
I know I want some crunch. I wanted the Marcona almonds because they're salty.
Can I taste your creme?
Absolutely.
Oh, wow.
Not bad, right?
Kim,
Yes.
this delicious, girl.
She can have some.
Kim, you want to taste the competition?
No, I want you to come over and try mine.
You ain't got to ask me twice. Girlfriend.
Ooh, you got 3 minutes left.
I see vanilla ice cream. This frozen element is gonna be the texture balance that I'm gonna need. I put the warm raspberries on the bottom of the plate, put the ice cream in the middle, and then white chocolate crema right on top.
1 minute to go.
I look at the custard and realize they're not set at all. At this point, it's plan B. Just gonna make it a warm dish, which is custard.
Coming up on 30 seconds.
And put the blackberries on top of the custard, the Marcona almonds that I've chopped, run to the fridge, get a handful of the basil, and put it on the dish.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, chefs, the goal tonight is to beat Bobby Flay.
It's all gonna come down to how you made white chocolate the star of your dish. Chris, can you tell us about what you made?
We have a white chocolate custard with lemon, macerated blackberries, Marcona almonds, and a little bit of basil.
You switched it up from the creme to the custard.
Instead of quite as we wanted to, turn it into a custard.
Not mad at that. Gotta go with the flow. But saying that, don't even really know if it's custard because it didn't set up. But I love that you left the blackberries more fresh than cooked down. Not quite sure about the basil.
If you had put the basil in with the cream and let it infuse and then take it out.
Oh, yeah.
Instead, I got like this big leaf in my mouth. But blackberries, lemon, such a good combo.
So, Kim, tell us what you made.
Vanilla white chocolate crema, warmed raspberries, grated lemon zest, and vanilla ice cream.
The crema is really light and airy, but I'm not quite sure the purpose of the vanilla ice cream because it doesn't add any texture.
I agree. The ice cream, kind of superfluous, if you will. But I love the texture of your crema. It just fills up the whole mouth like an air pillow.
Even though Chris ran out of time and Kim needed a little bit more texture, they both pulled off amazing desserts, especially for 20 minutes. Round 2 is gonna be tough, that's for sure.
The chef that is moving forward to beat Bobby Flay is Chef Kim.
But, you know, even if it's not me doing it, I'm glad that it's Kim going against Bobby Flay to showcase the talent in Chicago, especially in pastry chefs.
How you feel, Kim?
Pretty good. A
Yeah?
lot of women on the floor right now.
Hey, watch out.
3-on-1. How you like me now?
I'm ready. All right, Kim, congratulations. What are we cooking? What's your signature dish?
My signature dish is apple dumpling.
Apple dumpling. Okay.
She came in and bit the apple. You should have known.
All right.
Do you want to give up now?
Talk that talk, Kim.
We don't get to decide the winner for round 2.
Instead, we have 3 culinary authorities to do a blind taste test.
You'll each have 45 minutes to make the best apple dumplings you have ever made in your entire life. And your 45 minutes starts now.
What's going on over here? You are far behind.
So I put my apple on top of the biscuit dough, stuff them with my filling, then egg wash, and then I fold them to seal it. I'm totally worried about the time. I mean, this is like an impossible dish in 45 minutes.
Bobby, I'm actually really nervous for you.
3 minutes left.
Next, I season the creme fraiche with the cinnamon, sugar, and the cayenne mixture. And that's just gonna go on top.
Those are about the ugliest dumplings
Yeah?
I've ever seen. Kim's, on the other hand, look perfect.
I pull my dumplings out of the fryer. Now I'm gonna get started on my chantilly cream, which is basically cold cream with a little bit of bourbon sugar for the sweet, very woody, smoky flavor.
Less than a minute on the clock.
I take the apple dumplings, I get them on the plate, and then I start putting the chantilly and glazing with the brown butter.
Coming up on 30 seconds.
We see you sweating, Bobby.
So I pull my dumplings from the fryer, I hit them with some caramel sauce, and I finish it with some creme fraiche.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bobby with that last second drizzle.
Bobby, Kim, congratulations. Now it's time to meet your judges.
The creative director of the Institute of Culinary Education, Michael Lasconis. The founder of Friday Talks Food, Nicole Friday. And the founder of Absolute Culinary, Nils Noren. Judges, today's challenge was apple dumplings. Please start with the plate in front of you.
The flavors really combine effortlessly. And I like the puff pastry, if only there were just a few more minutes to really develop that crunch in that exterior.
I love the filling and the chantilly cream, but I wanted more almond flavor.
I really am a sucker for whipped cream. This is one of my favorite things in the whole world. I actually picked up quite a bit on this smoked almond. It kind of gave it another dimension. Unfortunately, the apple was undercooked a bit.
I know that I probably should have left them in the fryer longer, but I still feel like I have a chance because I think the flavors were there, the textures were there that I wanted.
Judges, please try the second apple dumpling.
There's some great spices in there, and the apple is really nicely cooked. The dough is really nice. It's got that crunch to it, but there's some parts where it's a little bit undercooked.
I like the crunchiness of the dough, but the caramel sauce is a little gooey.
Using a biscuit dough here was a bold move. The contrast between the crunchy dough and the soft apple worked perfectly. But I think the caramel sauce, I just wish it was a little bit more fluid so you could get a little bit of that coating each bite.
All right, judges, it's time to take a vote.
Kim, Sunny, and Katie, they came for blood today. They didn't think I could do it, but win or lose, I proved them wrong.
All right, the judges have voted.
The winner is Biscuit Bobby Flay.
Definitely a gut wrencher, but at the same time, I know that I probably should have left them in the fryer longer because otherwise I would have slaughtered them.